Key witness claims detective paid her $30,000 for false testimony in Oakland murder case. A recent news story has shed light on a case in which two men were convicted of murder and sentenced to life, only to be quietly released from prison last year after a key witness signed a sworn declaration accusing an Oakland detective of paying her tens of thousands of dollars to lie on the stand. The woman, Aisha Weber, claimed that Detective Fong Tran paid her more than $30,000 in cash and checks and pressured her into naming both men as suspects in the fatal shooting of Charles Butler Jr. in 2011. Butler was a 23-year-old recent graduate of the Merchant Marine Academy who was allegedly gunned down while arguing with his killers about a parking spot near his North Oakland home. Jovant Douglas and Cartier Hunter were arrested 3 years later and convicted of murder in 2016. However, after Douglas's appeal failed, he filed a habeas petition to dismiss the charges, along with Weber's sworn declaration. Despite initially indicating that they would resist the motion, the Alameda County District Attorney's Office agreed to concede a defense motion dismissing the charges against both men. Douglas was ordered released from prison, forthwith, and Hunter's case was later dismissed as well. Tran, a longtime detective in the homicide unit, was placed on administrative leave last year related to the fallout from the murder case, but he is back investigating cases. In February 2022, Tran responded with his own sworn declaration, admitting that he worked with then-Captain Percy Joyner to authorize a $1,000 payment through the Crime Stoppers of Oakland program, which rewards tipsters after a conviction. Tran also admitted to paying Weber undisclosed amounts of money before the trial was over but claimed the amount was a fraction of what she claimed to have received. This case raises serious questions about the integrity of the criminal justice system and the lengths that some detectives may go to in order to secure a conviction. If Weber's allegations are true, then it is deeply concerning that a key witness in a murder trial was paid off to lie on the stand. It is also troubling that Tran, who admitted to paying Weber undisclosed amounts of money, is back investigating cases. The criminal justice system is supposed to be fair and impartial, but cases like this demonstrate that it is not always the case. It is vital that law enforcement officials are held accountable for their actions, and that steps are taken to prevent similar incidents from happening in the future. In conclusion, the Oakland murder case that was thrown out after a key witness claimed a detective paid her $30,000 for false testimony highlights the importance of transparency and accountability in the criminal justice system. It is crucial that law enforcement officials are held accountable for their actions and that steps are taken to prevent similar incidents from occurring in the future.